Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OPPO Enco Buds 2nd generation with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds and the case for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. In the next step, we have to remove the left and the right earbud. And next, when you do this, we have to grab both earbuds and we have to find touch sensor. It's actually located just right here, as you can see. And we have to click and hold these two sensors together for like 3 or 4 seconds until you hear this voice notification in the earbud. So let's do this right now. I'm gonna put the right one close to my ear. Okay, right now I can hear that sound, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So let's go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and then from other devices list we have to select OPPO Enco Buds 2nd generation. And as you can see right now, it's finished. You can also go for the App Store and get the Hey Melody application, but honestly there is not like a lot of useful features. If you only want to listen music, you don't really have to download this application. There's like the game mode and you can adjust the gestures, and that's all for this application. There's nothing actually useful. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.